In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple images in Google Sheets. We'll cover two practical ways to get images into your spreadsheet. Starting with the fastest method if your pictures are hosted online. And then a manual option that's great for small batches. If your images have direct URLs that end in PNG or JPG, start by listing those links in column A, one per row. A direct URL means the link points straight to the image file, not a web page. Next, move to the same row in column B and type the image formula. For example, type equal image to 2 if your first URL is in a 2. Press enter, and within a few seconds, the image will appear right inside that cell. Once one image is working, you don't need to repeat the formula manually. Use the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the formula cell to drag the formula down so it applies to all the rows that have URLs. This automatically loads every image from column A into column B. When they're in, select the image cells and adjust the column widths and row heights by dragging the edges of the headers until the images are comfortably visible. Take a moment to scan for broken links. If a URL isn't direct or is mistyped, the image won't load. If you don't have links or you are only adding a few images, the manual insert in cell option is simple and reliable. Click the cell where you want the image to live. Go to the top menu and choose Insert. Then Image. Then Insert Image in Cell. Upload your image from your computer. It will land inside the cell you selected. Just like before, you can resize the row and column to make the image easier to see. Keep in mind that images inserted in a cell move and filter with the data, which is great for organized tables. To speed up small batches, insert one image in a cell. Then copy and paste that cell wherever you need additional images. You can also use the blue fill handle to extend the image cell across adjacent cells. After you've filled the cells, replace each placeholder with the correct image by repeating Insert Image, insert image in cell in those target cells. This approach keeps alignment and sizing consistent, so you spend less time tweaking. That's it. Thanks for watching.